everyone and welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you all my recipe for deviled eggs. Perfect in time for you all to surprise mom this Mother's Day. And today's episode is being sponsored by Amco with brands such as Naturally Almond, McCallum's, Frank's, French's, Jamaican Mountain Peak, Caribbean Dreams, Bragg, and Lucima. To make this recipe, we're going to start with 6 hard-boiled eggs. Place the 6 yolks into a bowl. And then using the back of a fork, go ahead and smash these up so that it's easy to come together when we're ready to put everything together. Once you finish smashing that, we're going to add in all of our flavorings. I'm going to be using French's honey mustard for this, and we're going to add that in along with some sizzler pepper sauce. You want to use a really good pepper sauce like this. It's going to add a little flavor, a little kick, a little spice. And of course, if you wanted to omit it, you can. In goes half of a Hass avocado. Now, avocado tends to turn brown if you leave it out too long. I am going in there with some celery salt. You can squeeze a little bit of lime over the avocado if you want, but I suggest making this just as you're ready to serve it. So in went mayo, and then we're just going to use our whisk and bring this together until it's nice and smooth and put it into a piping bag. And then we'll go ahead and pipe these into our egg halves. So I went in with 1 pipe because I wanted to make sure that I had enough for each egg. And then whatever was left over, I went back again and topped off the egg. Now, when you're serving this, I suggest don't make it hours in advance. You want to make this at least half an hour before it's served because of that avocado. But if you wanted to omit the avocado, you can. Now I'm going to sprinkle on some smoked paprika, or you can use cayenne pepper powder, and garnish with some chopped chives. And that's it. These were so creamy, so delicious, buttery and scrumptious. I can't wait for you all to try it. Try this Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers and anyone who plays the role of a mom.